Okay, this is the new casting resin that I ordered from smoothon.com. It's casting resin for making 1x2x7s, which I made masters for on the computer. So, and I ordered this yesterday and it came in today, so that's like amazing. So they have really fast shipping, so I'm gonna unbox it. Okay. Here we go. Smoothcast 300Q. And it comes in the same bottles that the pourable rubber comes in. So here is part A, and it looks transparent to me. And this is part B, and they feel much more liquidy than the rubber. And instruction booklet. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's what the rubber bottles. This is what the bottles of rubber look like. They look exactly the same, except you see there's like rubber coming down it. They're much more heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna be casting some 1x2x7 soon. So you probably saw that already if you read my channel description under current mods. You'll see that. So, alright, thanks for watching.